Hi guys, so today we're gonna make a vlog. I'm doing a vlog for you, and as you can see, here's my hair. It's kind of messy. I got those graying hair, so you know this is part of life, and you're gonna go with me for a vlog. So today is Monday, and we're gonna start the week going to Ikea. I got something to pick over there, and I'll see you there. These are so crunchy, guys. Waiting for the bus. So the bus is very practical here. Here we go. We are walking in the shopping mall called Italy 2, and you have a lot of stores here like Foot Locker. You have a Zara right there, and let's have a walk. And it's in the heart of Paris, more in the south part of Paris, and you have quite a lot of shops here. You have a Zara, not a lot of shoppings for fashion, but quite a lot, enough to shop. So you have typical French fashion here, like lingerie. They're doing lingerie and stuff like that. This shop right here, you can find a lot of French brands. So guys, I found what I was looking for. I mean, I found some gels. I was looking for this spray, disinfecting spray, but I just found a gel, so I'll have to come back here again, maybe later during the week. So now we are going to the Apple store because I have this little problem with my computer. We're going there. So guys, we're in the heart of Paris. This is the Cartier Saint-Germain area, and we're heading to the Apple store. Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna make a vlog, And Fashion Week is beginning, so maybe we're gonna go through the city and see what's going on. Hi everyone, so the weather is really bad. I got the rain, and you can see here is Dior, so the fashion show of the Fashion Week. This is the second day. Hey guys, the show is over and we're walking here at Concord. Guys, we're heading to Chloe and to see the vibe outside. Guys, we're at Rue Saint-Honoré and we're heading to see what's happening. Hey guys, we are at Chloe. We're seeing a lot of people happening. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse of what's happening outside the scenes. And this was the Chloe show. And as you can see, there are a lot of stuff going on outside, even more than inside, yes, because you can get to see the looks, to see the models, to see the VIPs and stuff like that. And it's kind of interesting. Guys, I'm exhausted and I'm ending this vlog here. So see you tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Did they just not? I guess the invites just didn't get delivered.
Check out.